Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Done For You Affiliate Marketing Funnel for Beginners video, I'm going to show you a funnel that comes with a free 7-day trial plus bonuses for taking the free 7-day trial. I'm going to share with you how simple this is for beginners. Just going to promote one link and I'm going to show you what you can promote. We're going to talk about how you can get fast into profit and the proof that it actually works. 95% of people that come online fail, and the main reason for that is they haven't got a simple system to follow and they don't get into profit quickly enough and they get disheartened and they quit. We're going to show you the targeted traffic training, free and paid traffic. That includes buyers. That's really important. And there's 15 plus income streams within this funnel. So this is one of the reasons, there's many reasons, but one of the reasons where you get fast into profit as well. So if you like Make Money Online videos, then please click subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications. I've now done over 200 videos on my channel on all different aspects of making money online, from free traffic, paid traffic, websites, list building, social media. So lots of different aspects of making money online. And if you like playlists, I'm going to pin a playlist to the top comment under this video, and then you can watch a playlist on some more reviews on what we're going through today. So we're going to talk about the prosperity marketing system. This is a done for you affiliate marketing funnel. It's perfect for beginners. I'm going to show you the back office here. Very, very simple to use. It's been online since 2009. So it's here to stay. And let's just have a look here at my list. So when we talk about keeping things simple and promoting one link, what we will do is we will give you a high converting lead capture page. You don't need an autoresponder because the prosperity marketing system will do all the follow-ups for you. You can add your own autoresponder if you want to do, but we give you one of these high converting lead capture pages with proof. There's video proof within these couple of videos and testimonials, so people watch this so they get an idea before they take the free 7-day trial exactly what it entails and exactly how they can get into profit fast, and then they put the name and their email address in there, and then they can take the next step on building their own business online. So that's the first one. So let's have a look at fast into profit and proof that it works. So one of the main reasons that the prosperity marketing system is successful is the fact that it gets people into profit quickly. So it's only $12 per month for this program. It's a membership program. It can be used you can use it for training. You can promote your primary business if you've got one. If you haven't got one, you can use this as a primary business. So how do you get into profit fast? Well, one of the ways you get into profit fast is through the residual income membership. So if you're paying $12 per month, I'm going to show you some proof in a second of how the tour takers upgrade to student, and that becomes residual income payments. So you start to put some foundations in place. So what happens is once you get some referrals and put some foundations in place, then other referrals are passed up to you. So you're getting residual income from the pass ups. So if you're paying $12 per month and then you're getting residual income pass ups of, like in this case here, $60 per month, then you're into profit and you can reinvest some of that into paid traffic and scale up faster. And again here, so 8 are passed up to you. So once you get the foundations in place, $140 per month of residual income. So this is just one of the many reasons that you get into profit quickly with this system. So it's important that you watch the videos, click the link in the description, and watch the videos of exactly how this works. This is before we get into the 15 plus income streams within the built-in funnel. This is residual monthly profits. So when you click the link in the description and you watch these couple of videos here, you'll see exactly how this works, and you'll see exactly how you get fast into profit, and you can become one of the 5% that get into profit and start making money online. We're going to put an income disclaimer in the description below, because we're not making any income claims, but we're showing proof that if you're an action taker and you follow the training inside the back office here, how you can do that. So let's just show you some proof. I'm going to go into Affiliate Center. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be blocking out some people's personal information here, but I am going to show you where the tour takers actually upgrade to students, and then the students are the paying members of the example I just previously showed you. So when you look under this, this is referrals. This is what you'll get in your back office. So on the right hand side here, I've blocked out people's personal information, but you'll see here membership. So you've got two different levels of membership. You've got a tour taker, and then the tour takers, when they upgrade to student, then this is what happens here with this part of the compensation plan here. This is where the pass ups come in. You get your own referrals, but you also get pass ups. So let's go back and show you here. So we've got one student there, we've got another student there, another one there, and then we've got another one here. So just in this small example I'm showing you here, I've got 4 students that have gone from tour taker up to student, and that's how you get into profit fast. So I'm going to X out of there, get out of people's personal details. So I just want to show you that proof. It's really important because some people want to see the proof it actually works. So get an understanding of exactly what's going to happen when they sign up as a student themselves and sign up with the prosperity marketing system. So let's have a look at the next one on here. Let's have a look at targeted traffic training. Free traffic. If you're brand new and you're on a low budget, we show you how to use free traffic. Paid traffic as well. So our traffic includes buyers. That's really important that you're advertising. That's why we call it targeted traffic. That you're advertising to people, to groups of people that include buyers. So within the training course here, bear with me, income builders. So you've got traffic training here within the training course. Let's just have a scroll down here and have a look. So with the free traffic, you've got YouTube traffic, you've got Facebook traffic, free solo ads. So there's that there. Let's have a look in the, let's go and have a look in the traffic under here. So you've got an advertising co-op, you've got list builders, you've got traffic exchanges, you've got other. So we give you all the different traffic training. I want to show you this one here. This is really good one. This is penny traffic method. So if you're on a low budget, then we show you how to get targeted traffic and targeted leads with our penny traffic method, and also an advanced training. But lots of different traffic trainings for you, because if we don't teach you how to get traffic, then we're not successful. So we're going to teach you exactly what we're doing. We're going to teach you exactly how to get leads and how to convert those leads into students. So if we're successful, you're successful. I want to show you now the 15 plus income streams. So you're not only going to get into getting fast into profit with the residual income that we showed you here on this plan, Oops, keep clicking on the wrong one. This is your residual income here. All right, this video here. I want to show you now the income builders that are built in. So when we talk about a done for you funnel, you'll see here under the list builders, you can either use the ones that are already built in. So these are all affiliate programs. So you can either use the ones that are in here, or you can click here and edit, and you can put your own in there. So most of these are free to join. And then what happens is when you start promoting your one link, your new prospects and your new team members will sign up for these products, because this will be your funnel already built in, and then you're going to earn the additional income streams in the done for you funnel. Very, very simple and very, very clever. So there's 15 of those already built in. So let's just have a little recap here. Let's just show you some bonuses. That's one bonus. If you take your free 7-day trial, so click the link in the description, watch the 2 videos on there, take the free 7-day trial, and we're going to give you all these free bonuses. These are all going to be in your back office, ready for you to take action on. So we've got traffic on how to generate 10 to 20 leads per day, penny traffic method. We've got free traffic trainings, classified ads, 10 great free methods to get free traffic on demand. So everything's here that you need, not just the this is just the bonuses, not the ones that we give you inside the system. Gmail ads training, if you want to start blogging, if you want to do YouTube, if you want to do pay-per-click adverts. Bing ads is the is a it's cheaper to advertise on Bing ads, Bing pay-per-click, than it is on Google pay-per-click. And we even give you all the follow-up emails. If you want to put your autoresponder into this system, then we give you all the follow-up emails. You don't have to think about anything. Everything's done for you. This is why we call it a done for you affiliate marketing funnel. So if you've got, please give us a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions at all on the prosperity marketing system, then put those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. Just click the link in the description. Take your free 7-day trial. Have a look around, see who we are and what we do. We'd love to have you join our team. We are the fastest growing team within the prosperity marketing system, and I shall look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.